So, today we're going to making, drum roll please, chicken salad.
Chicken breast salad.
Yeah.
It's a Cuban chicken salad. It's very delicious, super simple to make.
It's amazing. It's delicious. It's the bomb. Yeah.
So now the kitchen was.
Make sure you wash your hands, your work hands clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
Girl Scouting! Oh, so I just could not.
Resist?
Yeah.
fantastic.
They are way too strong.
Did you know the Girl Scouts now sell gluten-free cookies? That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Our dad could not resist them.
He never can.
We sent him to buy sweet peas and he ended up buying cookies.
So that's not correct. So let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is set the fuss. Bam! So now let's get cooking. So these are some of the ingredients. These are the ingredients for our chicken. So we're gonna need chicken breast, beef bouillon, oregano, and salt. And then
Half an onion.
half an onion and 5 garlics.
How many chicken breasts do you have over there?
2.
Okay, and you, Ian?
I have 7 potatoes,
Cut in small cubes.
and then I have
Salt.
Salt, 1 tablespoon of salt.
Yep.
So what are we gonna do with our potatoes, Ian?
We're gonna put them in.
Boil them?
Yeah, we're gonna boil them for 5 to 10 minutes.
No, 10
minutes.
From 10 minutes to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And how can we know if our potatoes are cooked?
If you poke them with the fork and they fall
Soft?
apart,
If they're soft.
Yeah.
If they're soft, we don't
Yeah,
want them
they're
to
soft.
fall
We don't
apart.
want them to fall apart.
We don't want to
We
overcook
need
them
them
because
for
we're not gonna
the
do a
salad.
puree or okay.
Yeah, we're gonna use them for our
And
salad.
we're gonna need our beautiful and amazing Instapot. So our mom, she always uses our Instapot for whenever she's just gonna make chicken, and she makes everything. She puts it in
So
there,
when she has to go to work, when our dad wakes up, the food's ready,
and
and
he just
You guys have a meal.
so.
Hey, we need to make our life easy.
Yep. Work fast, not hard.
Exactly. I have a full-time job, guys.
Yeah. But either way, everything.
And we have to go to school.
Yes, we need to make everything simple.
So we're stuffing,
And then,
Eat it.
the most amazing part, eating it.
but sometimes, guess who eats it before we get to?
Oh.
So,
You couldn't resist the amazingness.
So you just pour it everything there?
well,
No,
for
that's
the
for your
potatoes.
potatoes.
Yeah,
Your water is already over there in the stove. Okay, so now we're gonna pour water into what line? The first line? Okay, so I will give you the water.
So we have everything in here, our water and our chicken. So we're gonna close it and cook it for 25 minutes. Done. So 25 minutes. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
you got this, honey.
And now we're just gonna wait for it to turn on, and then
25 minutes.
Yep.
So
oh yeah, the potatoes.
Okay.
10 minutes.
So we're gonna our water is already boiling, so we're just gonna pour our potatoes and cook them for 10 minutes.
And then you're gonna check them.
And if they're not soft enough, then we leave them another 5 minutes.
Yep, because we don't want them so soft that it's basically smashed potato.
Okay.
So my mom already helped me pour my potatoes, so now I'm gonna put the salt
And it's 1 tablespoon.
of salt.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna go play. See ya. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna check my potatoes. It's been 10 minutes. Oh, this one, and they're good. So let's open up. So my potatoes are ready. Now I'm gonna let them cool down, and then we're gonna mix them into our salad, chicken salad. So finally, our chicken is ready, and we waited 15 minutes before taking it out of the Instapot, and it was so tender that, well, yeah, I shredded immediately.
And before you open the lid, you need to release, if it still has,
Air.
steam, you have to let it release. And then 15 minutes after it's done, you do that. Yep. So we remove all the bones, the skin, and everything else. That's just trash. And our chicken was very easy to shred.
Yep. And
our ingredients are, the rest of our ingredients are onion, celery, black pepper, white bell pepper,
Sweet peas.
salt, and mayo.
And your salt is
for
to taste.
taste.
We recommend you wait until you mix everything and then you adjust the flavors. And we're gonna need a big container so we can mix everything.
so, chicken, here you go.
Potatoes.
Onion. Come on, my friends.
Celery.
You guys are sharing with me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Share this
That
time.
sound kind of like, yeah.
Bell pepper.
Sweat. I think it says sweat or sweet.
That's looking amazing and colorful.
It does.
Okay, how about if we add the mayonnaise
Oh, yeah.
first and then the black pepper and then we mix everything together?
I forgot you need your spatula. Okay. That just went squeak. Cover up.
And if you want to add more mayonnaise, you can do that too.
That's good again.
This is good for us.
So, okay guys, now we're gonna pour our pepper and then continue mixing. Not the salt yet, Ian.
Hold the,
The bowl.
there you go.
From up to down. So now I'm gonna taste it.
Needs more salt.
Okay, so now let's mix it again.
Hold.
You missed the bowl, Ian.
Don't blame me, blame the hand.
Which is still you, but.
He has a playful hand.
Yeah. So now let's taste it.
It's so delicious.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken is just so
It's
soft.
so tender.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then the potatoes, they're so
Perfect.
Good. Perfect. So now.
You guys just boil them for 10 minutes, right?
Yep. With some salt.
That's pretty delicious. And remember, if you need to add more salt, add more salt. If you want to add more pepper,
You
add
can
more pepper.
We should probably eat this before Papa gets back.
Woo, hurry up, guys.
Because he's gonna eat it all.
Enjoy.
So I hope you guys love this amazing.
Well, Cuban recipe.
Yep. So now, bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding. I hope you put a smile on your face. Bye.
Can I eat the chicken?
No.
Yeah.
Bye.